I'm from Boston, Massachusetts. It's great to be here today.
Yeah!
I wasn't expected to play, but I went down on Jason, and it's all good and stuff, so I got one song for you guys.
Wait a minute. He did not go down on me. He's lying. He came and talked to me.
Way to kill Christmas, Jason. Anyways, this song is called I Got Construction Boots.
Yes, he didn't go down. I don't go that way, buddy. You might be from Boston, but we don't go that way up here.
Well, I got construction boots, I'm gonna do construction. I got construction boots, I'm gonna do construction. I got construction boots, let's go out and build a fucking shed.
What?
Well, I got construction boots and I drink Miller Lite. I don't trust gay people, I voted for Mitt Romney. I got construction boots, let's go out and build a goddamn shed. I voted for McCain, these colors never run. I got construction boots, I'll fight people about construction boots. I drink Miller Lite and I believe that Jesus died for you. No, fuck you, me. Well, America's the best, it says so in the Bible. I got construction boots, I wrote the goddamn Bible. I drink Miller Lite and I like to listen to Godsmack. Well, I got construction boots, I'm gonna build a tank and blow up gay people and watch some goddamn football. I drink Miller Lite, I believe these colors will never run. Fly, eagle. Thank you. You guys have been amazing. I'm going to be over at that merch booth right over there. If you want a flyer, all my music's for free. Please stick around. Jimi Hendrix up next.
Thank you.